Hello everyone. This video is to explain how I have used my Tradingview Indicator to make buy and sell decisions. This is a demo of how I use the indicator. This is one of multiple videos I will be posting, so it will help you to understand how I use the indicator to make the decisions. So in this example here, I have bought solar industries. As you see, I have bought on 28th August, which is last year, 23, around here. So if you see the line, it has passed the all-time high, and once it crosses, it came into my radar. What I mean is, there is a screener that I use. I have shown a demo of how I use a screener. So I got this solar industries in my screener on 28th. What I noticed is there were already a couple of partial buy signals. So I went ahead and invested on solar industries. So as you can see, as soon as I invested, the stock had gone up for last 1 year, and as you can see here, on 4th of November, I sold it at around 10,092. So in the process, I made a return of 111 percentage. So this is a little over a year. So I got a good return by just using the indicator. As you can see, the indicator that I have used, I also see the MACD. So when you see this MACD, it has a very good crossover, and it has crossed over and going up. That means that the consolidation is over, and also my indicator is showing very good buy signals, meaning couple of partial buy signals that I consider as a good buy indicator. And I invested here, and I have sold it here. At this point of time, since there is a strong sell that shows up here, I don't have to go into the fundamentals, but for the sake of demo, I will show you what the fundamentals of this company looks like now. So you can see the market cap is 88,000 crores. So P is on a little higher side. ROC is very good. ROE is good. Profit growth is also good. Sales growth is negative, which is something that I have concern about. Debit to equity is good. Interest coverage is good. So PEG ratio is little on a higher side. Promoter holding is 73 percentage, and promoter pledge is insignificant. So let's go down and see what this industry is. So they are into aerospace and defense chemicals, as you might know. This is the only player in this industry, or listed player in this industry. So you can see the sales growth is good. You can see the EPS is slightly lower for the last quarter. I don't see any big concern here on the fundamentals of this company. Only thing is, I see that the sales growth has gone down for last 3 years. I can see 10-year, 5-year, 3-year, it is increasing, but it has gone down. Same thing here, 10-year, 5-year, 3-year was increasing trend, and it has gone down. This is for the profit growth. So I think same thing is reflecting in the stock price as well. But return of equity is really good. So I can see the promoter holding is steady, which is a fundamentally good stock. But on the technical front, since there is a clear sell signal, I do not care about the fundamentals. I just sell the stock. So I hope this gives some clarity about how I use my indicator and how I screen and how I buy and make sell decisions. So in this case, it is just a clear buy signal that comes, and I don't see the fundamentals here. I buy it here and then I sell it here. The fundamentals, only thing that I see on my screen or you can see is ROIC, which is 15 percentage. This will give me the company that are having very good management. So that's why I only choose that. Otherwise, everything I look is on the technical side. The interesting thing that you can see here is the sell signal has come, and you can see the MACD is still going down, which is a weak sign. I don't know how long it will go, but I will be out of the stock until it comes back and hits the all-time high that it has reached here. And only thing I will do is only when there is partial buy or buy signal I will enter. I will not enter if there is no partial buy or buy signal. So hope this video had explained about how I use the indicator to make buy and sell decisions. See you in my next video. I will share one more stock that I recently sold that will give you a different perspective of how I make my buy and sell decisions. Thank you. See you.